Hello, today I'm going to show you how to get back the Apple iPhone XS home button. The home button is gone, as you can see. There's only one big screen without any home button. If you like the home button so much, it's possible to bring him back in position. Easy going. Let's do this now. Settings. Then, as you can see, Apple ID, iCloud, iTunes, and App Store. And then go down and have a look at General. Go to General. Now it's time to get on the accessibilities. So there it is. We go down and there it is. AssistiveTouch. There it is. AssistiveTouch. Now we are at AssistiveTouch, and AssistiveTouch allows you to use your iPhone if you have difficulty touching the screen or if you require an adaptive accessory. So, short, this is the home button. Now it's time to bring back the home button on your Apple iPhone XS. Only use this. And there it is! The home button itself is back on the screen again. How to use it? Push and hold it, then you can see home button setting. For example, let's go into an app, and there's your home button still on top. Nice. Hello, home button. Push him again, or push him twice. You can see here is some app closing system. And if you go back with the home button to the home menu. If you have a shortcut, you can use Siri, custom, notifications, device, and control center. Go back with a short dip, and if you're dipping it under the feel able point, it is a shaking point, then you can use it like the home button devices. Like before. So another, for example, go back and push it. Nice and easy. So if you do not like the home button at this place, you can push, hold, and let's move the home button on different places on your phone. Easy going. The home button is back, as you can see. So if you will not like the home button again, settings, AssistiveTouch off, and the home button is gone. So that it is how to bring back the home button at your Apple iPhone XS. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and see you next time again. Soon.